male shot, 12356 Avenue.
Hear me on this. He is no hero.
We have a description on this perpetrator.
How people can like this guy, that's a sickness, actually.
And it's insult to the intelligence of the American people.
I think they should probably have a mural to Luigi somewhere, right?
This was Luigi Mangione at his latest court hearing. A villain or a hero? On that question, America is divided. He's the alleged assassin who spawned a line in merchandise and in tattoos, condemned and celebrated simultaneously. If the motive for murder was anger with health insurance companies, here the sentiment at least is shared.
In short, it's fantastically expensive, extraordinarily complex and frustrating to most Americans.
People should have access to health care without being refused. The doctors know best, not the insurance companies.
I wouldn't say that I endorse murder, no. But, you know. No, I don't endorse murder, but.
But what?
But I'm glad that they're a little bit nervous.
My son, he was in the emergency room for malaria. I received a bill for $20,000.
If the regulators aren't going to do it, if the lawmakers aren't going to do it, if the voters aren't going to do it, at least it's nice if they've got some idea in their mind that there are ethical lines that they shouldn't cross.
Brian Thompson is the healthcare executive who was gunned down. Sympathy has been sidelined by celebration of his alleged killer. This was a Boston music concert last Friday with Mangione's image projected on stage.
We have seen a shocking and appalling celebration of cold-blooded murder.
The adulation of a murder suspect has been condemned, but at the same time, a fundraiser in his support has grown.
My name is Sam Beard, S-A-M.
Organisers for a legal defence with the healthcare industry in their sights.
They sort of profit off of this machine that is morally bankrupt and doesn't value the lives of human beings.
It doesn't justify murder, though. Would you agree with that?
The same logic has to sort of apply both ways, right? A CEO, he had his life sort of tragically and surprisingly to all of his loved ones cut short, but he was considered an effective CEO sort of exactly because he profited from denying people's claims, which cut their lives short.
A man's murder has sharpened the debate here about health insurance companies putting profit before people, denying access to health care, typically at a time when a patient needs it most. It was a murder that's become so much more. James Matthews, Sky News in Washington.